This is one short little video of me trying to walk out in civilization after the nor'easter of February 2013. So here we go. Alright, Dolly, come on. Dolly, come on. No, come on, Dolly. Tunnel I made and out into this one-way street. Not really much left. I mean, nowhere to really put the snow. See how much snow there is? Look at that. Look at that. Can't even see cars. Come on. Oh, gotta pee. Goodbye. There's a truck over. Alright. How much snow there is. All those little mounds and shit, those are all cars. And if you see mounds like that, those are trash cans and shit. Dolly, come here. Dolly, come here. Just got ran over. People are even driving. Come on, Dolly. It's real dangerous because there's no sidewalks right now. I heard that the governor, Dan Malloy, put a said all roads were closed. My question is, on a road like this, and you know, someone is halfway into Long Hill, and someone else is halfway into it too on the other side, what the fuck are they gonna do? So, I think only plow trucks and emergency vehicles should be out right now. Come on, Dolly. Fuck. There is really nowhere to put the snow. I just slid. Dolly, come here. Shit, Dolly, come on, Dolly. That's what I'm talking about. On these new one-way streets now. They got killed. This is dangerous, man. I'm gonna take this dog back. Let's see. 4 minutes, I got 5 minutes left. Alright. Go further back. That guy just left with his snowblower on. Looks like people are digging their cars, but for what? There's no reason to. You really want to drive in this?
This is the most snow I've seen in a long time. Crazy how you back from Shelton to fucking word. That's fucking cool. Yeah, I'm about to go there. Couple dollars. Cut off the car, all that.
Bad shit. Look at this guy being a hero. Oh, behind me, right? Come on, Dolly. Damn. Fuck. What the hell is that? A pothole? What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm gonna die out here. Are you hanging in there, Dolly? You look like you're doing fine. Alright. At some point I gotta take this dog in. Bulldogs are not outdoor dogs. They are not. Something about them not being able to regulate temperature because of the shape of their noses, things like that. I'm sure he's good. Fuck, I keep having to turn so that the wind doesn't freeze my face. Oh, look at this weirdo. Holy shit. One of the valley crazies. Holy shit. It's a nice bright day though. Alright, Dolly, come on. Dolly, come on. Oh shit, I hope you see this snow. Look at that gnarly wind. I can't even see the other car anymore. Holy crap, there's a car actually coming this way. I do have to get out. Watching out for myself here because I just took a fucking snow in the face. What time do I have on this? From what I can tell, it says 9 minutes and 45 seconds. Alright, this video is about to end real quick because I can only upload 10 minutes of video on YouTube. So, good luck everyone. Hope you're enjoying yourselves. There'll be another video. Take care.